Mad Brad's Customs. Boy, I'm gonna tell you what. Been pulling the blown up motor apart, getting the crankshaft out of it, hoping that the crank was good, and it is. This motor, let me show you this motor. I know everybody wants to see it. Look at that big old hole. Oh yeah. So, if you watch my videos, you know this thing here through. That rod broke, this rod came out of the piston, and them two decided to beat everything all to hell and back. But anyway, yeah, the crank looks like it can be fixed and turned as long as it ain't bent or some crazy thing. But yeah, I think there was some kind of, maybe an oiling issue too going on, because these here look pretty scuffed. Yep, who knows? Alright, been fighting this whole deal. The man just called me. I just got off the phone with him, and he said he just about had the motor out of the Mach 1. And I just want to let you know that's quarter horse performance. And they're in the Florence, South Carolina area. Look them up. They have a whole lot of Mustangs in their backyard. Mach 1s, notchbacks. Yeah, I don't know how many acres, but it's all Mustangs, just about. I'd say 95% Mustangs if I'm guessing, but anyway. All right, just to give you a little update what's going on. Yeah. Anybody want a block to hang on their wall and go, look what I did? This thing's going to the aluminum recycling. All right. Mad Brad's Customs. Don't forget, let me show you this Mach 1 behind me. I got all the interior put in together. I got all the crazy speaker stuff fixed on it. All I'm lacking now is, of course, building a motor. And he said Monday I should be able to get the motor. Doesn't mean that I'm going to build it on Monday, but I can start pulling it apart to build it. But anyway, I bought a complete motor out of a wrecked Mach 1. All right, my friends, my families, my subscribers, hit the button. It's that easy. We need you. I want to be like these boys up north that's getting 4 and 5 million subscribers. I don't know how. I watch their stuff and it ain't that good, but anyway. All right, we out. Thanks for subscribing.